Hi friends, in this video let us have a quick look into Samsung Galaxy S21 5G. This is the retail unit which I bought from Samsung Opera House, and the phone comes in two variants: 8GB of RAM with 128GB of storage and 8GB of RAM with 256GB of storage. The one I have here is 8GB of RAM with 120GB of storage. The price of this variant is INR 69,999. The other variant is priced at INR 73,999. Here is the quick look on the retail box. Opening the package, we have Galaxy S21. Let me keep this aside for a minute and see what else we have in the box. We have the SIM ejector tool, manual, and USB-C to USB-C cable. This is the Phantom Grey color variant. It is also available in other color variants, white and violet. Now let's have a quick look into Galaxy S21. On the right side of the phone, we have volume keys and power keys. On the bottom, we have speaker grills, USB-C port, primary microphone, and SIM card slot. It accepts dual SIM cards. On this side, nothing. On the top, it has two microphones. On the back, we have a triple camera setup: 64 megapixel telephoto camera, 12 megapixel wide sensor, 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, and a LED flash. The back is made up of plastic. We have a Samsung logo here. Let me power on the phone and set up the device. The Indian variant is powered by Exynos 2100 with 4000 mAh battery. It has 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x display with Full HD Plus resolution. Now the setup is completed. Out of the box, we get around 100GB of available storage. Coming to software, it runs on Android 11 with One UI version 3.1. The security patch update is 1st December 2020. The software update with January 2020 security patch update is available for download. Size of the download is around 637 MB. Coming to camera interface, these are the options we get: single take, photo, video, and then more. Here we have Pro mode, panorama, macro mode, night mode, slow motion, etc. For video recording, it supports up to 8K resolution. It has many other settings to customize. That's it for this video on quick unboxing of Samsung Galaxy S21 5G. If you have any questions, you can ask through the comment section or through Twitter. Please hit the like button if you like this video.